Chippy is coloring himself, y'all. He done found a coloring book, and he is coloring himself. Good job, Chippy. I see you staying on those lines. Deuce is gonna help today because Janelle ain't been with it, and y'all see me behind. So, 18. 19. 20. Thank you for your cooperation.
21, 22, 23, 24.
It's almost Christmas.
No.
Oh, bad boy. There are some people who have the audacity to be excited about the snow. Talking about, yay, white Christmas. Ain't nobody got time to be dealing with all this mess. All this damn snow. Now I gotta go to the grocery store today. Cause I won't dare be out there tomorrow. So I can make sure to be stocked up. I got my pantry. So, of course that's good. But I still need meat and fruits and veggies and all of that stuff or whatever. Whoever wishing for all this snow, y'all need to go somewhere and sit down. I'd rather be over-prepared than under-prepared for all of this snow that they talking about. So, also gotta go get more salt. We got a decent amount in the garage, but we gotta go get more. And gotta make sure that the car is filled up with gas, because ain't nobody got no time for no frozen gas tank. Struggle of being in the Midwest. This is ghetto. It's the one and only time I want to go south. But then the South be dealing with hurricanes and all of that stuff. So it's like, do you want to deal with a hurricane? Or do you want to deal with snow? Hurricane, snow. Hurricane, snow. So in preparation for the storm, I went to the store. Got plenty of lunch meat, sausage, meatballs, pepperoni, stuff to make pizzas, chips, veggies, fruit, chicken, juice, meat, milk, and bread. And then I also stocked up on the baby water and more cases of water.